Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Cash App account. Follow these steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon of your account settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings menu. Step 3. Select security settings. Scroll down to find the privacy and security section. Here, you will see options related to your account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the #com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication is now active. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Cash App account. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive authentication codes without issues.